I'm about to show you the best and most professional pipeline for creating cinematic films and animations, or even blending both. With this method, you can fully lock your characters, locations, and all your assets and get insanely solid consistency. No need to jump between different platforms. This is exactly what most of you have been looking for. In this video, we'll start super easy and create a hyper-realistic human character, then pair it with a cute animated creature. After that, we'll drop them into a story based on a scenario. So let's jump right in, and don't forget to like and subscribe. You probably already know Higgsfield, and if you're not in love with it yet, you probably will be after this video. Honestly, it's incredible. It's a complete all-in-one box for creating high-end visual content. The key is knowing which tools to use and how to use them depending on your project. Even though you have access to the best video and image generators here, that alone doesn't guarantee perfect results. But in the next few minutes, you'll see exactly how to create a full cinematic film or animation using just this platform. And it's way easier than you think. I'm going to use Higgsfield's new feature called SoulCast. With this, you can create a hyper-realistic actor for your film in just a few simple steps. First, you choose your genre. You've got everything from action, comedy, thriller, even sitcom. Next, you set your film's budget, which actually affects the quality and some parameters. Then you decide the era your film takes place in. Your character can be a hero, innocent, lover, or anything else. Then you pick gender, ethnicity like Latin, Asian, Black, and also their age. Moving on to physical appearance, you can fully customize body type, height, eye color, hairstyle, and color. It's honestly insane. After that, you can add details like scars, tattoos, or anything else you want on the face. Finally, you get to the outfit. You can fully design it. And there's even a custom option where you can write a prompt to get exactly the style you want, then just hit generate. The results are crazy good. You get like 5 different options, each showing front and back full shots of the character. You can edit any of them or tweak the parameters and generate more variations. I'm picking this one, made a few edits to the outfit. And I think it's final. Now to move it into Cinema Studio, I'll just save it in the character section. Before we jump into video creation, quick tip, there's another powerful way to build characters and super accurate storyboards using Higgsfield's new feature, SoulCinema. Here, you can generate fully cinematic shots and upload up to 80 images of your character from different angles and situations to build a highly detailed, consistent version. The system analyzes all of them to lock in facial features, proportions, and overall identity, so your character stays perfectly consistent across every shot. You can also add lighting and color references, and it'll match that exact look on your images. So everything feels like it's from the same film. Now, the best part, with very short and simple prompts, you can place your character in different locations, outfits, and scenarios. This is extremely useful and definitely something you'll want in your pipeline. I'm going straight into the video section and using the multi-shot feature. Inside Cinema Studio, you don't need to write separate prompts for every shot or stress about consistency. You write one prompt for the entire sequence, then insert your characters directly into the text like this. I also need a small animated character, which I already created earlier using the image section inside Cinema Studio. I put the full tutorial for that tool in the link above, so you can check it out. Here you can customize camera movement and even control the speed of the video in different parts. I'm leaving both on auto. I'll set the duration to 12 seconds, choose multi-shot auto, and tweak the rest of the settings as you can see. To generate this sequence, we need a first frame, which we can create in the image section. Super simple, just write your prompt and insert your characters into the text. This tool is seriously powerful. You can even define the camera specs if you want. The result looks amazing, and you can still edit it if needed. Now I'll use this image as the first frame and hit generate. The final video is a 12-second sequence made up of multiple shots with different camera angles, and it looks fantastic. It also includes sound effects, and if you want, you can add lip sync and music too. If there's anything off, you can fix it right here using Edit Video or later in your editing software. For the second sequence, I'll take one of the last frames from this video and use it as the first frame. Just like before, I'll write the prompt and insert the characters into the box. You can see the result again, and the more precise your prompt is, the better your output will be. In the third sequence, both characters are on a motorcycle, so we need to generate the first frame using the image tool again. For the fourth sequence, both characters are dancing at a festival. Same process as sequence 3. Easy. I dropped all the videos into Premiere, arranged them, did some light tweaks and timing adjustments, and that's the final result. I highly recommend adding Higgsfield to your pipeline. Right now, it's one of the most powerful yet simple platforms for creating AI content. Until next time, stay creative.